Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies, I'm wanting to share with you today the importance of being kind online. Before I get into this video, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and click on your notification bell to turn on the post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a single awesome video that I have to share with you guys. It is very important to be kind, not just in your day-to-day life, but also when you're on the internet, on social media. Because how you present yourself online there can also say a lot about who you are. A good rule of thumb is if you wouldn't do something in person, you shouldn't do it online either. If you're not a mean person in the real world, you shouldn't be a mean person online. And plus, if you're always a nice and kind person, you're going to be treated nice and kind back because, like the golden rule says, to treat others as you want to be treated. I mean, and it just also makes more sense there to be able to be known for something wonderful and kind and good-hearted than something mean and hurtful. It's so much better to be able to put that energy into something positive than to write something mean there just because it would make someone feel empowered, feel superior, when everybody should be treated as equals and nobody should ever be horrible to one another there, because it's hurtful there to others to be able to then read these messages of these horrible things there that people are saying about them, because people feel that they can be hurtful simply because they're hiding behind a screen and a keyboard and mouse, that it's okay to behave this way even though they would never do this in their day-to-day life in actual face-to-face interaction situations. If people are kind, it's going to make the internet a much better place to be and much more friendly place for everyone to interact with one another and to make friends and to enjoy their time online there. I mean, even on social media sites there, people get bullied online there because people will say something mean and hurtful, and that really can affect people to where they do very unexpected things there that's honestly heartbreaking to their friends, their family, and even their friends that they have online there, to see all of these effects there that someone has had on this person from them being rude, mean, and unkind. So before you hit the enter button on your tweet, Facebook message, Facebook post, Snapchat picture, or even your Instagram DM there, think about how what you're doing will affect someone, and if it could hurt someone or cause them to feel negatively about themselves in any way, stop. Don't do it. Completely change your thought process, change what you're writing to something positive and friendly and kind, because it is so much better to be positive, friendly, and kind to one another, because being kind online is an amazing thing. I hope everyone can spread some kindness today. And before you check out one of my other videos on my playlist or on my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a single video. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Until then, sensational smiles, go for miles, be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.